Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Factory on your PC. First, you'll want to download and install the software. Format Factory is a fantastic, free multimedia converter for Windows, supporting over 50 different file types. You can easily find the latest version on its official website. Just follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, which typically takes less than 2 minutes. This ensures you have the most up-to-date features and optimal performance. Once installed, converting files is quite simple. On the left side of the interface, select your target output format, such as MP4 for video or MP3 for audio. Then, add the files you want to convert by dragging them in or using the Add File button. Before starting, you can adjust settings like video quality or audio bitrate. Finally, click the prominent Start button, and Format Factory will efficiently process your files. Beyond basic conversions, Format Factory offers several powerful advanced features. You can batch convert dozens of files at once, saving significant time. It also allows you to rip your favorite DVDs and CDs, preserving your media digitally. Furthermore, you can easily join multiple video or audio clips into one continuous file. A handy repair function can even fix some corrupted video and audio files, making it a truly comprehensive tool. To optimize your experience, customize Format Factory to your preferences. You can easily change the default output folder to keep your converted files organized. For large batches, you might prioritize certain conversions or pause others as needed. Explore the custom profiles to ensure your files are perfectly optimized for specific devices, like a smartphone or tablet. Remember to regularly check for updates to benefit from new features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.